welcome to Healthy Kadhai. First of all, wish you all a very happy new year. I hope you have a healthy, safe and prosperous 2021. Talking about today's video, I'll be making 2 gluten-free roti recipes which are perfect to consume during this winter months. If you are diabetic, have BP or cholesterol problems, then these rotis are very beneficial for that, and the best part is that these rotis are beneficial for weight loss as well. So let's get started. Before starting with the recipe, please do subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon to get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll take 1 cup of bajra ka atta, which is also known as pearl millet flour. Pearl millet is a gluten-free grain and is one of the best winter grains. To this, we'll add some winter vegetables. Here I have some chopped spring onions. I have taken both green portion and the white portion. This will further add to the nutritional value of our bajra roti. I'll save this much. Then I'll add chopped ginger and garlic. Here I've also grated cauliflower. You get best cauliflower in winter season. To this I'll add half a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. This will aid in digestion. Here goes half a teaspoon of sesame seeds or til. A pinch of asafoetida or hing. This will also help in digestion. Then goes half a teaspoon of salt as per your taste, red chili powder, and then we'll add half a cup of curd. If you are vegan, then you can avoid using curd. Now we need to prepare a soft and nice dough. We'll be using lukewarm water to prepare our dough. Pearl millet or bajra is good source of vitamins. It is loaded with fiber, and when we have added these vegetables, these winter vegetables into it, then we have further made it more nutritious. Ensure not to add water in one go. Just add little water so that we are able to knead a nice soft dough. Basically, you can add any winter vegetable of your choice like fenugreek leaves, which is methi, spinach, radish, any winter vegetable of your choice. Our dough is ready. You can see the dough is nice, soft and firm. We'll allow it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. We'll divide the dough in 2 to 3 equal portions, and then we need to roll out bajra roti. For this, we'll sprinkle little bajra flour. And with a very light hand, we'll roll out the roti. Just keep on turning the roti like this so that it doesn't stick to the base. Apply a little more flour on the top so that it is easier to roll it out. Just shape it out a bit. A tip here is that just keep the bajra roti little on a thicker side. So our roti is ready. Let's cook it on griddle. Now we need to cook the bajra roti. On top of the roti, I'll sprinkle little sesame seeds. Just press it down a bit. You can see the roti has cooked nicely from one side. We'll flip it over and cook the other side as well. It is actually very easy to cook bajra roti. Only thing is that you need to cook it on medium flame. You can cook this roti by applying oil on both the sides just to make a paratha. But I will cook it just like that without using any oil. We have got such a nice lovely color. You can see the sesame seeds are looking so attractive. And our bajra roti is ready. After roti is cooked, we'll apply desi ghee on the top. Just liberally apply desi ghee. It's very healthy to consume desi ghee, especially during winter months. as it helps in assimilating and absorbing all the vitamins. So ensure to use desi ghee in all the paranthas and rotis you cook. So our first bajra roti is ready. Similarly, we'll cook the other one. To prepare makke ki roti, I'll take makki ka atta or corn flour. Here goes 1 cup of corn flour. This is again a gluten-free grain. Now to our corn flour, we'll add fenugreek leaves or methi. Methi is really very healthy to consume, especially during winter months, as it is available in abundance. And here goes some grated carrots. And also I'll add chopped ginger and garlic. To this we'll add half a teaspoon of salt, red chili powder. You can even add green chilies. Green chilies is a good source of vitamin C. Here goes some cumin seeds or zeera and carom seeds or ajwain. Again, we need to prepare a nice dough. We'll use lukewarm water to prepare this dough. Again, do not add water in one go. Just keep on adding it little by little. This roti is again very nutritious, full of fiber, vitamin, minerals. Our dough is ready. It is nice, soft and firm. I simply love this color combination of yellow, green and red. Isn't it looking too attractive? Now we'll keep this dough for resting for another 5 to 10 minutes. Divide the dough in equal portions and we'll sprinkle little plain flour. Again, with a very light hand, we'll press it. You can even prepare makke ki roti using your hand in this manner. But here I'll be using rolling pin. Our makke ki roti is ready. Let's cook it now. We'll cook the roti on medium flame. Just let it cook from one side and then we'll flip it over. This is also a very nutritious parantha. You can have it for breakfast, for lunch. It's actually very filling, fibrous. Makke ki roti is cooked nicely from both the sides. And then we'll smear it with desi ghee. Just cover it completely and I'm sure you'll really gonna love the taste. Just look at this colorful makke ki roti. So friends, do try out these recipes and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, please hit the like button, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes.